What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing another Halloween makeup look, but this time something a little less crazy than last time, but still glam and fun. So I picked up this little kit from the dollar store actually. It's a little like cat costume and it came with some jewels and stuff, so I figured I would create a eye look, well, full face, but I've already done my face, and then kind of play up the cat theme a little bit. So if you'd like to see what that looks like, then keep on watching. Okay, so I have you zoomed in so you can see what I'm going to be doing. I did already do my foundation and everything. You can kind of see the highlight already going on. So this video is mostly going to be like my eye look, and then I'm going to kind of throw together some little last minute details to kind of create a fun little cat makeup look. So I think we should just get started. I'm going to zoom through a lot of this, so if you want to know some more details on how I do anything, then definitely ask below and I'd be happy to make a little short video explaining things a little bit more in depth, but I think we should just get started. So my idea is to do kind of a cut crease, kind of bring it up, kind of like a cat eye would be, and kind of go from there. And then I have some jewels to add at the end and obviously some glam lashes. So I'm going to start kind of just building. It's going to be like kind of a black and silver look. I just feel like that would make the most sense, especially with the little ears that I have. So I'm just going to start. I am going to do a cut crease, but before I do that, I'm going to kind of create the general shape with black shadow. It's going to look crazy at first, but just trust me, well, hopefully it'll turn out the way I want. So let's see. And then I do have a mirror over here like usual that I kind of look at so I can see what I'm doing too. So here we go. Okay, so they don't match perfectly, but I think that I kind of like how this one goes in a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to create the cut crease just underneath of that. I know this looks insane right now, but it'll come together. So I'm taking some concealer and I'm just going to kind of straighten out this line underneath and kind of just make it a more symmetrical look. See how that just looks a little sharper than this side? It's funny because right now these kind of just look like crazy eyebrows or something. So I'm going to go in now and do some liner on the bottom area. And I like to use a pencil liner and then go over with the liquid liner afterwards. So let's do that. So just like a basic shape. It's not obviously perfect yet, but I haven't finished the inside of the lid first, so we'll do those touches later, but I just wanted to kind of create the general shape I'm looking for. Okay, and I am going to take a liquid liner and kind of create a pointed look towards the center of my eye. Okay, next I'm going to put a little bit of glitter glue on my lid. And then through here I'm going to have some pressed glitter, so that's what I'm doing next. And I'm just going to do a little bit at a time so it doesn't dry on me. Okay, I'm going to smudge out that liner a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to put a little underneath as well, because why not? Okay, I'm going to do some lashes and mascara off camera, and then I'm going to come back and do some finishing touches to make this cat look come together. Okay, so I have lashes on. I'm going to start doing some detail work. So I have these like fun little jewels I'm going to put above my eyebrow. Guess they're going there. Okay, and then it comes with whiskers, which, you know, you can't be a cat without whiskers. Not really sure what to do with these last few, so I'm just gonna put them random places. I mean, because this looks like a cat, right? Don't ask me, guys. I don't know. Okay, and then I would definitely, if you were going to wear these for Halloween, glue them on because the adhesive that comes with it does not feel super secure, but for the sake of this video, I think it'll be okay. So I'm going to do my lipstick now. And then my little nose. Okay, and then for the final look, of course. Okay, and there you have it. So this is the finished cat look. Obviously you can do whatever you want. I just felt like the cat makeup needed to kind of go upwards, you know, like feline like. And then really you can do drawn whiskers, whatever you want. These just came with the little kit, so really none of this is necessary. You can just draw on the little lip and the nose and the whiskers like you want, and then do your eye makeup. However, throw out a pair of cat ears and you're ready to go. So if you like this look, then go ahead and like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And as always, guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.